In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing MetaMask accounts. If your accounts or balances seem to have disappeared, don't panic. We'll restore your wallet safely and make sure your tokens display correctly. Begin by opening the official MetaMask site or the portfolio page in your browser, then use the option at the top to open the MetaMask extension. You should see the unlock screen. Instead of trying random passwords, click Forgot Password. Because you're recovering an existing wallet, select Reset Wallet. This clears the local vault on this device only. Your funds remain on the blockchain and will reappear once you restore. Next, choose the option that matches the length of your secret recovery phrase. Many users have 12 words, but your phrase may be a different length. Pick the exact count. Carefully enter your phrase in order, all lowercase, one space between each word. Take your time and double check spelling. Only enter it inside the MetaMask extension. Never paste it into any website or share it with anyone. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. Now create a new strong password for this device. Think of it as a lock for the local app, not a replacement for your recovery phrase. Confirm the same password to proceed, then continue. Click Restore. MetaMask will rebuild your wallet from the phrase and sign you in. After you're back, go to the Tokens tab. It's common for assets to appear missing simply because the token list hasn't been added yet, even though the accounts are restored. Open More, then choose Import Token. You can search by token name or paste the verified contract address for the correct network. Importing a token only adds it to your view. It doesn't move funds or cost gas. Repeat this for any other tokens you expect to see. If you use multiple networks, switch to the network where you held the asset before importing, so the right balances appear. Also give the extension a moment to sync with the network. Balances and activity may take a short time to populate. Make sure you're signed into the same browser profile you use regularly and that no content blockers are interfering with the interface. At this point, your wallet should be restored and your tokens visible. Keep your secret recovery phrase stored offline and private, and consider locking your wallet when not in use. If something still looks off, refresh the extension and confirm you're on the right network. That's the process for finding missing MetaMask accounts by restoring your wallet and making your assets visible again.